As the kids say, pasta and carbs are so 2020. So today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm going to show you how to make an antipasto salad that is crunchy, flavorful, and packed with everything you would want on a pizza: mozzarella, salami, olives, and more. So if you're ready to get hip with the kids, let's start off by making our dressing. By combining a half a cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of stone ground mustard, 1/4 a cup of red wine vinegar, and if you can't find red wine vinegar, feel free to use another kind that you just love. 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Feel free to leave out the sugar if you don't want to, or you could substitute it for honey. Next, we have half a teaspoon of garlic powder and then a pinch of red pepper flakes. Then whisk this all together and you've got yourself a nice little Italian dressing. Go ahead and set that aside and let's get chopping the rest of the ingredients. For this salad, we're going to lay it on a bed of romaine lettuce, so we're going to quickly chop that up and place about 8 cups worth into a bowl. To our lettuce, we're going to add about 8 ounces of chopped grape tomatoes. Then add in 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella. Based off of the size that you buy, you may need to cut them in half, but I like these because they're perfectly little bite-sized bits. Then you're going to want to dice up about a cup worth of salami into little bite-sized pieces. You could also substitute that salami for pepperoni if that's your thing, but go ahead and add that to the bowl. Next, grab half a cup of artichoke hearts. I got mine just from a can. Then give those a quick chop, and we're going to add those right to our salad. Follow this up by chopping up 1/4 a cup of pepperoncinis and adding those to the salad. Now, if you're worried that the pepperoncinis are going to add too much heat to that salad and you want to leave them out, go for it. Last thing we need to cut up is a red onion, in which we are going to finely slice that. We're only going to use a half of a red onion. Add the onions to the salad along with half a cup of black olives, a half a cup of green olives, and then a half a cup of kalamata olives. When you're ready to eat, serve it up on a plate, drizzle it with dressing, and garnish it with some fresh chopped basil. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes like this one that you can make at home. We'll see you later.